I'm not an absolute clean freak, but I hate bloody glue on my hands. Working with gluey hands. God. And if I can wipe my tile, I don't always wipe my tile, but what I see out there, how people work in a gluey mess, I do not know. Right, I need to adjust things, but I'll get this tile in and then I can pull out my rubber hammer, adjust things a little. It started with a kiss. I never thought it would come to this. You don't remember me, do you? Ah. You don't remember me, do you? People in places where it snows and that sort of thing, what do you do? Do you just do inside work? Like I'm lucky where I live in Australia, Gold Coast, you know, like the coldest it gets where I live, the coldest it gets is about 8 degrees. That's above, not below. There's a couple of hinterland mountains close by, and they'll drop to minus and a little bit of a shitty wind chill factor. But where I live, down by the, you know, on the flat, or close to the sea, it doesn't really get below 6 or 7. 6 is really cold. I'll do it there. That's not going to work. Adjust my camera a little bit. The strap on my head for my camera is starting to stretch a bit. I've got to pay some attention to it soon. You don't remember me, do you? Okay, people, my back butter is going across those lines, and what do you get when you do that? You get a bloody beautiful stick down. Right, bend your legs or bend your knees, slap it in. Good one. I'll come back to you shortly. I just got to wipe my hands. See you soon. Everything's going well, DIYs, and according to plan. I usually pour out my glue, but I'm sort of did it that way because I'm running out of room. Oh. Gotta use a bigger trowel. This is a 15mm trowel, DIYs. For my back butter, I'm using an 8mm, and I always lay my back butter opposite to that. So it's sitting up on top. People go on about 100% coverage. Well, you do it this way, you'll get 110% coverage. The computer warriors, keyboard warriors will be going, what's he talking about, the fool? Nice one. Nice. Do that 1 second, Chriso. Do your fully first. One thing I'd like to say, people, is thanks for watching my videos. I'm smashing it with shorts as well. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And we're laughing. What I should have done then, guys, is I should have stood up, and bent my legs. I was actually straining my back then. Not a good move. No biggie, but it's not the thing to do. If you start doing silly things that I just did then, I was using my back, not my legs, your body won't last as a tiler. And if it's not quite right, give it a kick. Should actually bring that along a bit. Get that corner up. It wants to go a little bit more, and I'm not able to get it. Take that. This is one I prepared earlier. Right, I need to be opposite with my lines. Change hands. Hey, you wouldn't bloody read about it, would you? I made a mistake then. I've got to put in my clips. Sometimes, well, I do anyway. Sometimes I forget them. Right, down we go. It's a little bit messier than when I was laying that because you're putting in cuts and you're sort of restricted. I've got to wash my hands. I hate friggin' glue on my hands, people. Rightio, I'll clip that up. I'll zap these other few, and I'll come back to you when I'm doing the cuts. I'm working my way out to the door. Once I hit the door here, I'm not able to go any further because I can't walk on my tiles, and I don't want to tomorrow either. Because it's too cold and the glue is too green.